KMD was an American hip-hop trio active in the early 1990s. The group is best known for launching the career of rapper and producer Zev Love X, who later became MF Doom. Zev Love X and his younger brother DJ Subroc formed the core of KMD. The group's original third member, Rodan, left before the group signed with Elektra Records. He was replaced with Onyx the Birthstone Kid. Zev Love X, DJ Subroc and Rodan formed KMD in Long Beach, New York, in 1988. The three were black Muslims active in the Nubian nation. KMD began as a graffiti crew, which also practiced breakdance. Onyx the Birthstone Kid soon replaced Rodan, who left the group in order to finish high school. MC Search, a native of nearby Far Rockaway, met the group at community functions and recruited them for a guest spot on the Gas Face, a single off Third Base's The Cactus album. The guest appearance caught the attention of A&R executive Dante Ross, who signed KMD to Elektra Records. KMD released their debut album Mr. Hood in 1991. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.